अरे देख, एक आंख से देखने वाला आ गया। अरे देख देख देख, उसको तो एक आंख से दिखता भी नहीं है। उसकी शादी कैसे होगी? उसको जॉब कौन देगा? दिस यूज टू बी माई चाइल्डहुड, एंड देर आर मिलियंस आउट देयर who face some sort of bullying when they were growing up. I'm Nitin Bajaj, and today I'm going to share my story of being bullied in childhood to building a 150 crore company today. I come from a very small town, Karnal, famous for two things: Karan from the epic battle of Mahabharata, and Kalpana Chawla, the famous astronaut. I was having a very small town, middle class family life, enjoying it to the fullest. But one fine day, while playing firecrackers on a Diwali night, I met with an accident, and I lost vision in my right eye. And that night changed everything for me. After spending 2 years unsuccessfully in hospitals, multiple injuries, multiple surgeries, going back and forth, when I went back to school, तो जो मेरे दोस्तों ने स्वागत किया वो किया बुली से. They started calling me one-eyed child. Every day when I used to go back, my biggest fear was to face them. I come back to school, I go back to school, come back, and then I cry hiding in the bathroom so that my parents wouldn't know about it. बट आई डिसाइडेड कि यार बहुत हो गया, इनफ इज इनफ, अब कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा. आई वॉज फिल्ड विद एंगर. सो द नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन आई वेंट बैक टू स्कूल, आई डिसाइडेड आई विल चैलेंज देम, आई विल फेस दोज बुलीज. आई रिमेंबर 3 टॉल गाइज, बिग गाइज स्टैंडिंग राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ मी. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा था कि क्या करूंगा, कुछ तो करूंगा. बट उनको देख के इतना डर लगा दैट आई, इंस्टेड ऑफ गेटिंग एंग्री, आई पोलाइटली आस्क्ड देम कि यार व्हाट इफ द सेम थिंग हैपेंस टू यू समहाउ? What will you do? I don't know what triggered them, but they changed. They realized their mistake and they stopped bullying me. But the damage was already done by then. But life keeps on, it keeps going. So I went to do my. During all of this, I found my solace, I found my happiness in cartoons, especially Dexter Labs. मैं इतना क्यूरियस था डेक्स्टर लैब्स को लेके दैट आई स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग माई ओन बेसमेंट, अ लैब फुल ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी. आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट्स, बिल्डिंग कूल गैजेट्स, बिल्डिंग कूल रोबोट्स, बिकॉज वो ऐसा टाइम होता था जहाँ पे मुझे खुशी मिलती थी. लाइफ वेंट ऑन, बट इट डिडंट लास्टेड लॉन्ग अगेन, बिकॉज वी गॉट टू नो दैट माई फादर गॉट डायग्नोस्ड विद कैंसर. And the fear of losing your parent started to rush back again. Those memories, those trauma started to appear back again. My father died at a very young age, but again, the life has to move on. We have to keep going. So I went on to do my mechanical engineering from YMCA University, and then I did my first job in KUKA Robots. I was so passionate by the world full of automation and AI that I learned a simulation software on my own. Because I was so curious in doing 3D visualization simulations that I got the opportunity to even teach at a lot of IITs, to even their faculties, the same simulation software that I was excelling at. And due to learning that simulation software, I was able to build a market of 50 crores in north of India. And I was also lucky enough to negotiate a contract worth 7 crores at just 21 years of age with the CEO of Volvo Eicher. All of this because of one thing, that I was curious and I was experimenting, and I was always facing my fears. But I decided कि यार बहुत हो गया, बाकियों के लिए तो बहुत काम कर लिया, कुछ खुद के लिए करना पड़ेगा, because I'm so curious, so experimentative in nature. So I thought, take a break from the job that I'm doing, and I went to do my MBA from IIT Delhi. Why IIT Delhi, some of you may ask. Simple reason. In 2015, all of the amazing companies that we shop from today, be it Zomato, Snapdeal, Flipkart, all of these are IIT Delhi alums. And they were emerging out of IIT Delhi in 2015. So I thought, वहीं चलते हैं जहाँ सब लोग कुछ बढ़िया बढ़िया काम कर रहे हैं, जहाँ entrepreneurs निकल रहे हैं. So I'll go there. So went there, and that's where I met my co-founder also, Shreya Ratra. In the second year, we launched our first company with a simple idea. The name of the company was Get My Looks. The idea was very simple. A beauty professional with a click of a button will come to your doorstep. You can have makeup, you can have hair services done through that. We got good traction. इतना अच्छा हमारा वो बिजनेस चलने लगा that a lot of media outlets started to cover and write about us. Even the sharks that you see today on Shark Tank, some of these sharks committed to invest in our company at that time. But again, कुछ ना कुछ तो चलता ही रहता है जो आपको रोक देता है. A sudden incident happened, a very independent incident happened in a Uber car, a rape. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आर इन्वेस्टर्स थॉट कि यार तुम्हारे बिजनेस मॉडल में भी ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है कि कोई फ्रीलांसर किसी के घर जाए और वो कुछ ऐसा अटेम्प्ट कर दे जिसकी वजह से तुम्हारी कंपनी तुम्हारे पूरे एग्जिस्टेंस पे क्वेश्चन हो जाए. हम लोग भी डर गए. द फियर अगेन केम बैक, सो वी डिसाइडेड टू स्टॉप इट. बट एट IIT Delhi, I used to do a lot of events like this. And the biggest problem of all these events is raising sponsorships. So I thought, why not create a marketplace? A very simple problem where on one side on the marketplace, a website, you will have all these event people that will list themselves. And on the other side, there will be many brands who are looking to sponsor in those events. So we'll marry these two together. That was the idea. We started it off. And by that time, we also graduated from IIT Delhi. So we were living in Delhi without having any money, any salary, because we didn't start for placements. दिल्ली में रह रहे हैं, खर्चा इतना होता है, होम लोन ऊपर से था और पैसा कुछ नहीं था. So I remember an incident that, so my hometown Karnal, so my mother was there and credit card recovery agent went to my home, started abusing my family, asking for the money that I owe them. I somehow managed to convince them to get off and ask my family and friends to pay me some loan. And that was the night that also taught me one amazing life hack. Wedding crashing. Whenever I used to see any wedding happening around me, I'll just go walk in. सूट तो था ही IIT MBA वाला, वो सूट पहनता था और 300-400 शादियों में चला जाता था खाना खाने के लिए. I think maybe that's the reason why I'm not getting married today. So this was the survival skill that developed. Even a lot of times the waiters used to give me a missed call कि शर्मा जी के बेटे की शादी है, आ जाना. So the reason why I'm telling you this story is because survival instincts can make you do lot of things that you will never imagine. That's the kind of reimagination which will come into effect, that will help you keep going. While all of this was happening, we were still broke. So we needed a way to reach out to a lot of brands to get them on board on our website. So me and my co-founder, who also joined us back then, he was a CTO, Amit. So we thought कि यार कुछ ऐसा बनाते हैं जिससे हमारे पास बहुत सारे लोगों के contacts number आ जाए, because we want more and more contacts to reach out to them. So we created an app by the name of Easy Leads. Super simple idea कि आपके पास कुछ contacts हैं, आप contacts हमारे website पे list कर दो. In return, you will also get some contacts that you can utilize for your own sales, marketing, or reasons. Very simple idea. We released it in a Facebook group. We got about 1,000 users and around 3.5 lakh contacts in just 7 days. That was the eureka moment for us. कि सब sales वालों को, सब marketing वालों को, everybody, every business need contact data. You can't survive without it. Sales, marketing, recruitment, sponsorship, market research, you name it, everybody would need data. So that's when we decided to put our entire focus on building this third company instead of the first or the second. So we reimagined what an ideal salesperson would look like. What would an ideal salesperson do? The job of an ideal salesperson is to reach out, find companies, find people who work in those companies, contact them. If they don't reply, follow up with them, work 24/7 without getting tired, without complaining. That's the kind of vision we had while building Easy Leads. Maybe that was one of the mistakes because we still were broke. We still didn't had any money to survive. I remember an incident where, since I was living in a rented apartment, I didn't pay it for 3 months rent. So when I went back one fine day, my landlord evicted me. My all stuff was lying around in the staircase. So I slept that night on stairs. Next morning, my friends got to know about it. They invited me to stay with them rent-free for 6 months. Why I always mention this story? Because no matter where you are, no matter what you do, your friends will always be there to support you. So whenever you get a chance, you should always thank them. That's what I did today also. But while this was happening, I realized one of the major reasons why we are not succeeding is because we are not at mental peace. We don't have money to survive. We don't have money to even eat food. So I took a job in a company called as F6S. It's a community of startups around the world. Over 5 million startups are a part of that community and venture capital firms. That helped me in two things. First, कि मैं उन startups, उन networks के part में आ गया. Second, I was getting very handsome money that I was able to afford my expenses, and I was also able to pay the expenses of my co-founders because I also wanted them to be at peace also. That's how we started building products. We built around 5 products within the umbrella of Easy Leads. All of them failed. The fear again came back कि अब क्या होगा. First fail हो गया, second fail हो गया, third के अंदर भी 5 companies अलग अलग fail हो गई, 5 products fail हो गए. What should we do now? While building all of these products in Easy Leads, एक common चीज़ हमें समझ में आई, क्योंकि हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें बना दी थी. We thought, यार, is there any common pattern amongst all of these products? We realized there is one, and the common pattern was contact numbers. We realized, let's get rid of everything else, every other fancy feature that we have developed, and remove the junk. Make a simplistic version of the product that will give you contact number of anybody you want to reach out in just a click of a button. We released that app once again, and that became insanely viral. First month में ही हमारा 3.5 लाख रुपए revenue था. And COVID also came in at that time. That accelerated our growth because everybody was now working from home. Every business is working remotely. So you can't walk into any company now to sell. You need data, now more than ever. That helped us accelerate our demand very crazily. Second month revenue, 7 lakh. Third month, 14 lakh. Fourth month, 21 lakh. Today we do about 24 crores of revenue in just 3 years of time. 4.5 lakh businesses are now dependent on us. You name the company and they're most likely to be our customer. You name the companies that you dream to be a part of when you get out of this campus, they would be our customers already. The companies who rejected me earlier now are all our customers. And this is all bootstrap, this is all profitable, without any marketing expenses and fully remotely. I think if you look at the entire journey, जितने भी failures हुए, जितने भी troubles आए, जितने भी challenges आए, there was one constant thing to look up. There was one constant thing to hold on to. Every different phase has every different kind of opportunity that I was holding on to. कभी वो Dexter Lab cartoons में था, कभी वो music में था, कभी वो simulation में था, कभी वो robotics में था, कभी वो different companies में था. So I was always holding on to something because that helped me face my fears. So अगर आपको पूरी conversation से, if you want to take one message out of this, is that hold on to something that helps you face your fears. And you never know when you also end up giving a TEDx talk. And I think that's the idea that's worth sharing. Thank you.